Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials: access to your recovery email or phone and a device you trust. Once ready, go to Accounts. Google, com and sign in. This proves you own the account. Make sure you use a browser or device you regularly use because Google flags unusual logins. Then open the security section and select password. This is the first actionable step. Doing this reduces verification friction and speeds the change, while protecting the account from unauthorized attempts. Next, you'll verify identity by entering your current password and completing any two-step verification prompts. Google may send a code to your phone or prompt a security key. Once verified, type a new password that's long, unique, and a memorable passphrase. This reduces brute force risk. Make sure it meets complexity rules, then confirm it. Use a password manager to create and store the new password. This prevents reuse and makes future sign-ins fast and secure, so you don't have to memorize complex strings. Finally, save the change and Google will confirm the update. Make sure you sign out of other devices if prompted, and update any saved passwords in browsers and apps. Once done, recheck your recovery email and phone and enable two-step verification for long-term safety. If something goes wrong, like you can't verify identity, use your recovery email or phone to receive codes, try the account recovery form, and allow 24 to 48 hours for automated checks. Patience often resolves verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.